In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Notion for creating a trading journal. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions on setting up your journal in Notion, making it easier to track your trades and analyze your performance. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in, quote, Notion. So, quote, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage featuring options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on Sign In at the top right corner. If you are new to Notion, follow the prompts to create an account. Next, once you are logged into your Notion account, locate the drop-down menu on the left sidebar. This menu allows you to access different features within Notion. Click on the menu to expand it, revealing various options including your workspace, pages, and settings. Ensure that you're in the correct workspace to manage your trading journal. After expanding the drop-down menu, click on Templates to access the template gallery. This section contains a variety of pre-built templates that can facilitate your trading journal setup. Once you click on Templates, you will be directed to a new page showcasing different categories of templates available for use. Continue by locating the search box within the Templates page. This box is usually situated at the top of the template gallery. Click on the search box to activate it, allowing you to type in specific keywords to find templates that suit your needs. This feature is particularly useful for quickly navigating through numerous templates. Now, type Trading Journal into the search box and press Enter. The system will display a selection of Trading Journal templates. Take a moment to review the available options, as they may vary in layout and functionality. This will help you choose a template that best aligns with your trading style and data tracking requirements. Select a template that appeals to you from the search results. Click on it to view more details about the template. Here, you can see a preview and descriptions of how the template is structured. This is an important step as it ensures that the template meets your expectations and needs for your trading journal. Once you have chosen a suitable template, click on the Add button associated with it. This action will initiate the process of adding the template, so you will receive a confirmation. After clicking Add, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the template has been successfully added. Next, you will need to click on Add to Private to ensure that this template is stored in your personal workspace. This step is crucial for maintaining your privacy and organizing your trading journal effectively. After this action, a confirmation will appear confirming that the template is now part of your private pages. Now click on See Template to access the newly added trading journal template. This step will take you to the actual template where you can begin customizing it for your trading. You will notice that the template is fully editable, allowing you to input your data and modify sections as necessary. After reviewing the template, click on Trade Report to access the specific section for documenting your trades. This section will typically include fields for entry and exit points, trade size, and other relevant metrics. Make sure to familiarize yourself with these sections to maximize the utility of your journal. Then click on the provided link to TradingView. This link will redirect you to an external trading charting platform where you can analyze your trades visually. Once you click the link, the TradingView page will open, allowing you to view detailed reports and charts related to your trading activities. You will see your report displayed on TradingView. This report provides valuable insights into your trading performance and helps you make informed decisions. Take your time to analyze this information thoroughly, as it can significantly influence your future trades. After reviewing your report, navigate back to Notion. This step is essential for returning to your trading journal and continuing to log your trades. You can do this by simply closing the Trading View tab or using the back button on your browser. Now click on the slider to slide through your trading entries or reports within Notion. This interactive feature allows you to quickly navigate between different aspects of your journal. Pay attention to how the entries are organized and ensure that you are entering data consistently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.